Uploading your advert to the turf market has never been easier. Simply create an account and press post your ad. Once you've signed in, you'll be greeted by this page where you'll be able to select your ad type. So for this particular scenario, we're going to say it's a job. The category will be careers, a permanent job. Then we'll move on to this next page. We'll be able to input a title, any sort of pricing on salaries, whether it's hourly, monthly, yearly, or daily, detailed description, upload an image. These can be images such as logos or images of the workplace. If you have a YouTube video, you can also link that here. Same with location, enter your phone number, your email address that you'd like to be contacted by, and finally a map for the location. It's not just job adverts. We have a range of different categories, some all things machinery, line marking, mowers, parts, services, contracts, hire equipment, and much more. 30-day listings are now free, with top and promoted listings being as little as £20 per advert. All our listings, no matter what, are posted across our social media pages, so you can ensure that the adverts are getting to the people that you want to see them. Turf Market. Browse, sell, discover.